What's up, YouTube? Giants269. So part 2 of my 2010 Bowman Jumbo break. So let's go. Still got 2 more autos coming. So base. These are all base. Rookie of Jeremy MOJO. He's pretty good. Blue of Carlos Pena, and that's numbered out of 520. Alfonso Soriano, Starling Castro. Bowman Expectations. Pulled 3 Castros already. Okay. Chrome. Brian Pellegrini, Edinson Rincon, Andrew Cashner, Luis Exposito, Jeff Antigua, and Ryan Dent. Got a Slade Heathcock base. Donovan Tate. Tops 100 prospects. Okay. So 5 more packs left. Nick Marquez, Drew Stubbs. Blue border of Nolan Arenado, that's to 520. Okay, Chrome cards, Kyle Jensen, Matt Tucker, Caleb Brewer, Dustin Ackley Chrome, pretty good. Got a Slade Heathcock Chrome. And the last one is USA Christian Colon. Okay. 4 packs left. 2 autos coming. Base. Sebastian Valle, John Segura, Carson Blair, Caleb Joseph, Tyler Holt, and looks like an auto on this one. Let's see who it is. It's a chrome auto. Rex Brothers. Number to 500, chrome refractor of Rex Brothers. Not sure who he is either. Oh, got another Steven Strasburg base. It's 2 already in this box. Okay. More packs. Base. Done. Buster Posey rookie. It's a blue border of Alexander Torres, numbered to 520s. Carlos Quinton and Tyler Flowers. Oh, we got a gold card back here, guys. It's a gold. Adam Wilk, CJ Rutherford, Youngwon Koo. Got a Donovan Tate chrome. Anthony Ghost. Here's the chrome. Oh my god, we got a gold of Bryce Harper. Gold of Bryce Harper, guys. This one is a good one. 43 out of 50. Gold of Bryce Harper. That's a good hit. That's my first time pulling a Bryce Harper. And we pulled a gold one. Base of Donovan Tate. I think that just made up for the box. Huh? That made up for the box, honey.
How much is that
I
worth?
don't know, but Bryce Harper regular chrome sells for about $20-something. A gold version, it would be upwards of 100 or more, at least.
Wow.
We got a blue one in the back here. It's too bad it wasn't a Bryce Harper autograph.
Is blue one better than the orange one?
I think orange is better, and then gold is good, better than orange. Jake Peavy, orange border, the 250, pretty cool. Okay, we have a blue border on the back. I don't want to look. Neil Mitchell, Jill Serafin, Steve Lombardozzi, Brett Jackson, Thomas Neal. Okay, the blue one is of Stephen Hensley, and it's autographed. Stephen Hensley, blue refractor auto. It's number out of 150. Actually, that's pretty good. Very low numbering. These are all Dustin Ackley base. Another Dustin Ackley. Oh, Aroldis Chapman, Topps 100. Pretty good, guys. Last pack. Last pack. How are we doing on time? 7 minutes? That's plenty of time. Okay. Base. I'm just looking for the Jason Hayward, guys. Got a blue of Roy Oswalt. Numbered 520. Blue of Roy Oswalt. Ryan Zimmerman and Desmond base. Okay. Craig Clark. Pedro Siriaco. Nick Santamaro. Tyler Henley. Randall Delgado. Huck Julie. Got a lot of Huck Julie. No good. Base. That's it. Alright, guys. Overall, I think this was a pretty good case. Pretty good box for me. Just want to go over the hits. These are just some of the blue and orange borders. Got a chrome refractor of Felix Dubront. Aroldis Chapman. Picked up one Jason Hayward base. Some Jose Iglesias, Dustin Ackley, a couple Donovan Tates. One of the better hits is a USA patch of Trevor Reckling, a jersey patch. Picked up two Starling Castros, one chrome, one base. Lincecum comes there because I'm a huge Giants fan, so. Orange border, Adam Dunn. Okay, so my autograph hits. This guy, Daniel Hudson. Not sure who he is. I picked up two Steven Strasburg base cards. That's there. Two of them. Starling Castro, Bowman Expectations. Got Dustin Ackley chrome. Buster Posey rookie. My other autograph is Stephen Hensley for the Mariners. And then I got a Rex Brothers auto for the Rockies. Sorry for the glare, guys. Got a Slade Heathcott chrome, blue border here. And I think the box is this, guys. Check it out. Bryce Harper gold refractor numbered out of 50. That is a very good hit. Bryce Harper, guys. Once again, all these cards you see here are for sale or trade, so hit me up if you guys are interested. I have one more box here, guys, and I wanted to do the case break. So, thank you. Bye.